Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make fancy basil birthstone charm pendant earrings. First we have the gold emerald design. Here is the tools and materials you will need. And first you can take your pliers and using your jump ring, attach your charm. And then you can go ahead and take your other charm and attach it to your other ear thread. Next we have the silver citrine design. Here's the tools and materials you will need. You can go ahead and just loop your charm onto that earring and close it shut. And then just repeat that same step for the other earring. Here is both designs, and you can check out our channel for more tutorials.